London, the vibrant capital of the United Kingdom, offers a wide array of attractions and landmarks to explore. Here are the top 5 places to visit in London. Number 1. The British Museum. An unparalleled institution in the heart of London, is undeniably one of the best places to visit in the United Kingdom. With its extensive collection of over 2 million artifacts, the museum provides an extraordinary opportunity to explore the diverse history of human civilization. From the Rosetta Stone to the Elgin Marbles, the British Museum houses priceless treasures that offer profound insights into ancient cultures. Its exhibits cover a wide array of topics, ensuring there's something to captivate the interests of every visitor. The museum's free admission policy allows for accessible and enriching experiences, fostering a sense of inclusivity and education. Number 2. The Tower of London. A historic fortress situated on the banks of the River Thames, is undoubtedly one of the best places to visit in the United Kingdom. It has witnessed significant events, from royal ceremonies to imprisonments and executions, making it a captivating destination for history enthusiasts. The tower's iconic attractions, including the crown jewels and the medieval White Tower, offer a glimpse into the opulence and power of past monarchs. Guided tours by the yeoman warders, known as beefeaters, provide fascinating insights into the tower's storied past. The picturesque views of the Tower Bridge and the London skyline from the tower's walls further enhance the experience, making it a memorable visit for both locals and tourists. The Tower of London's blend of historical significance, architectural grandeur, and captivating stories makes it an essential destination for anyone seeking to explore the depths of British history. Number 3. Buckingham Palace. The iconic residence of the British monarchy holds an esteemed position among the best places to visit in the United Kingdom. As the official residence of the Queen, the palace serves as a symbol of tradition and grandeur. Witnessing the changing of the guard ceremony, a renowned spectacle of precision and pageantry, is a highlight that draws visitors from all corners of the globe. The palace's neoclassical architecture, with its famous balcony, exudes elegance and offers a glimpse into the regal world. Exploring the staterooms during the summer opening provides a chance to admire the opulent interiors and royal collections. Buckingham Palace's significance as a royal residence, its iconic ceremonies, architectural beauty, and proximity to other attractions make it an essential stop on any itinerary exploring the UK. Number 4. Westminster Abbey. A revered architectural masterpiece and spiritual sanctuary, ranks among the best places to visit in the United Kingdom. Its rich history and religious significance make it a must-see destination for travelers. The Abbey has witnessed royal coronations, weddings, and burials, including those of British monarchs, poets, and statesmen, lending an air of solemn grandeur to the surroundings. Visitors can explore the Poets' Corner, a hallowed space where literary giants find their final resting place, paying homage to their enduring contributions. With its historical significance, architectural beauty, and cultural prominence, Westminster Abbey holds a place of reverence and remains one of the UK's most remarkable cultural treasures. Number 5. The Houses of Parliament and Big Ben. Situated along the iconic River Thames, are undeniably among the best places to visit in the United Kingdom. These historic landmarks represent the heart of British democracy and stand as symbols of the nation's rich heritage. The stunning Gothic Revival architecture of the Palace of Westminster, with its intricate detailing and grandiose facade, is a sight to behold. The resounding chimes of Big Ben, known worldwide, add an element of charm and timelessness to the visit. Stepping inside the Houses of Parliament offers a glimpse into the democratic process and the nation's political history. The panoramic views of London from Westminster Bridge provide a breathtaking backdrop, showcasing the splendor of the city's skyline and neighboring landmarks. The central location of the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben allows visitors to easily explore other London attractions, making it a convenient and essential stop on any itinerary. The combination of political significance, architectural grandeur, and its place within the London landscape makes the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben an unforgettable and must-visit destination in the UK.